Broken zipper, that leather jacket's ruined. Overstuffed suitcase, and the zipper split. Oh no, you're on a business trip.
Hi, I'm Susan Williams. A broken zipper means this jacket, bag, and suitcase are ruined, right? Not anymore. Finally, there's Fix-A-Zipper, the amazing zipper repair tool that works in just 1, 2, 3. Look again. Just snap Fix-A-Zipper over your existing zipper. Zip it up and you're done. Best of all, Fix-A-Zipper works on any zipper, large or small, metal or plastic, in just seconds, guaranteed. Snap it on and zip it up with Fix-A-Zipper. It's just that easy.
Fix-A-Zipper quickly and easily locks into place right over any zipper, and its special design automatically grabs onto the zipper's teeth. Zip it up and you're done. Use Fix-A-Zipper on your favorite jeans, boots, bags, suitcase, jackets. If it has a zipper, then you need Fix-A-Zipper.
Fix-A-Zipper works on the small nylon zipper, this medium-sized metal zipper, and even this large plastic zipper. It couldn't be easier.
Stop tossing clothes, bags, boots, and more just because of broken zipper. And never pay big bucks to replace a zipper again. Fix-A-Zipper instantly repairs any zipper, big or small. Use it on camping gear, book bags, sports bags, backpacks, and more. Call now and get a set of 3 Fix-A-Zippers, the fast and easy zipper repair, for just $19.99. Act now and we'll cut the price in half to just $10.
Order now and we'll double your offer free.
That's 6 pieces in all, a $40 value for just $10. Just pay separate processing. We're still not done. You'll also get 8 Smart Fit buttons free. Pants too tight? Simply snap a Smart Fit button and instantly add a full waist size to your favorite jeans. Pants too big? Move the Smart Fit button and get the perfect fit. That's 8 Smart Fit buttons, a $20 value free. You get complete set of 6 Fix-A-Zippers, 8 free Smart Fit buttons, a $60 value. Yours, all for just $10.
This incredible offer won't last, so hurry and call right now.